Now we are moved to the preparation of phenols. First method, Dow's process. From haloarenes. From haloarenes we are preparing phenol. It is named as Dow's process. When chlorobenzene is hydrolyzed with 6 to 8% sodium hydroxide, 6 to 8% sodium hydroxide at the condition of 300 bar pressure and 633 Kelvin in a closed vessel. First we are getting sodium phenoxide. Then the formed sodium phenoxide is treated with dilute hydrochloric acid. It gives phenol. Next we are going to the chemical reaction. First we are taking chlorobenzene. What is chlorobenzene? In benzene ring there is one Cl. It is named as chlorobenzene plus NaOH. In NaOH we have replaceable hydrogen. If this hydrogen is react with Cl, we are getting hydrochloric acid. Then remaining ONa is replaced in the benzene ring instead of chlorine. So we are getting sodium phenoxide. This sodium phenoxide is treated with hydrochloric acid. We are getting phenol. How? This Na and Cl. Sodium phenoxide we have Na, in hydrochloric acid we have Cl. Both Na and Cl react and it becomes NaCl. Then this hydrogen is replaced with Na. So we are getting phenol. This is a method of preparation of phenol by Dow's process. Second method, we are getting phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. Phenol is sulfonated with oleum. Phenol is first sulfonated with oleum. We are getting benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. Then this benzene sulfonic acid is heated with molten sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. As usual, by Dow's process, we are treated the chlorobenzene with sodium hydroxide. Here also we are treated with sodium hydroxide at 623 Kelvin temperature. Then we are getting sodium phenoxide. Then it is acidified with hydrochloric acid. We are getting phenol. Let us go the chemical reaction. First benzene sulfonic acid. Here the benzene ring is replaced with SO3H. SO3H. Here this SO3H, it is replaced with ONa. HSO3 is combined with hydrogen. It becomes H2SO3 sulfonic acid. Then we are getting ONa, sodium phenoxide. Then again this sodium phenoxide is treated with hydrochloric acid. Now we are acidified with hydrochloric acid. As usual, sodium is react with Cl. It becomes NaCl. We are getting phenol. We can prepare phenol from aniline. What is aniline? C6H by NH2 is aniline. Aniline is diazotized with nitrous acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin to give benzene diazonium chloride. What is diazonium chloride? N double bond N Cl. Diazo. N double bond N is diazo. How we are getting nitrous acid? From NaNO2 and HCl. This NaNO2, sodium nitrate and hydrochloric acid react. It gives us nitrous acid HNO2 and NaCl. On further treatment with hot water, this diazonium chloride, it gives phenol in the presence of mineral acid. Let us see the chemical reaction, how we are preparing the phenol from aniline. Here, what is aniline? C6H by NH2 is react with HNO2 in the temperature range 273 to 278 Kelvin. We are getting benzene diazonium chloride C6H5 N double bond N plus Cl minus. N double bond N plus Cl minus. This is benzene diazonium chloride. While we are writing benzene disonium chloride, we must write in the form of ionic N double bond N plus Cl minus, because it is very highly reactive. Immediately it undergo further reaction. Here the benzene disonium chloride further treatment with hot water in the presence of mineral acid, we are getting phenol. How? This Cl and hydrogen from H2O, both it react, it gives us a HCl. In disonium, there is a removal of disonium. N double bond N plus is removed as N2. So remaining hydrogen and OH, it attached with the benzene, it become phenol. We can prepare phenol from cumene. In this process, a mixture of benzene and propene is heated at 523 Kelvin in a closed vessel in the presence of H3PO4 catalyst, phosphoric acid. It gives cumene. What is cumene? Isopropyl benzene. If this isopropyl benzene, that is cumene, on passing air to a mixture of cumene and 5% aqueous sodium carbonate solution, then it gives cumene hydroperoxide. Then it is oxidized. It is treated with dilute acid to get phenol and acetone. Acetone is also a important byproduct in this reaction. Let us move to the chemical reaction. Benzene react with propene, CH3, CH double bond CH2. In the presence of catalyst H3PO4 and at the temperature of 523 Kelvin, we are getting cumene. How? Here CH3, CH double bond CH2. This double bond is cleavage. One side benzene ring, another side hydrogen. It is replaced. So propene alkene, it become alkane. That is a name, it become isopropyl benzene. Isopropyl benzene, because this benzene ring is branched. So isopropyl benzene. This cumene is then treated with 5% aqueous sodium carbonate with air. We are getting cumene hydroperoxide. It is oxidized as peroxide, COOH. Then it is treated with mineral acid. Here we are using sulfuric acid. We are getting phenol. How? CH3C, CH3, benzene ring, OOH. This benzene ring and OH remove as phenol. CH3C double bond O CH3. Why double bond? There is a cleavage of OH group and benzene ring. So it become double bond. Now we are getting acetone. This acetone also a very important byproduct.